not as scary,
I have
but
an escape hatch.
Probably more.
Okay, we're documenting now.
Uh-oh.
So we're gonna put that under and then put the box on top?
yeah, we'll kind of put that up.
So how do I do this? Why don't I do video on my phone?
Okay, we're gonna go look at the swarm.
Okay.
But we're gonna catch a swarm here in Carrie and Steve's backyard. They are very fat. Yeah, they've filled up.
We're gonna put this
That Tony's. I will just set it over here.
box.
If I run away like a little girl, you'll know why.
If I run away like a little girl, you'll know
Well,
why.
if you're running, then I'm going to be sprinting.
With your shoulder.
My shoulder, yeah. It'll be good. I just got to get closer.
They're so cool looking. I mean, that's nothing you really ever see.
Big one's the closest to you.
They won't see me.
They shouldn't. They don't have anything to defend right now.
So what I think we'll do is
Move it that way.
no, I think
Is yours the 5?
It's a, yeah. Well,
what we'll do is we'll just kind of scoop.
Okay.
no, it's the 6. It's just not.
Not the plus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of do that.
I have to think about it.
Start at
What,
the bottom.
what we really want to get is the queen.
Right. Now is she gonna be a different color, Billy, so we can identify?
No,
You might not ever see
she'll have a big old butt.
Okay, that's what I thought. Was just the size of her butt. I
You'll
was
see
looking
her?
at the inside, maybe.
Not necessarily. They protect her
She's
so
gonna
well.
be
They usually
moving all
cluster
around.
right
You might
around her,
not
so
ever
they
see
can't see.
We'll be
You
lucky
can't
to
really
get her
see
in
her.
here, and if we get her in here, then
Then
these
they'll
guys
move.
will kind of
That's what I
move
was
down the
hoping.
hole. But we don't want to damage her.
We almost needed more tarp, didn't we?
Do we have tarp? We've got tarp, don't we?
You gotta
So is
see
he
this
just
is a
grabbing
little fucking weird, especially the buzzing on you.
So you're just grabbing them. Okay.
Oh, they're moving now.
Okay.
All right.
Carrie stepping back.
The sound is so cool.
It is cool.
Oh my god.
Don't they feel weird?
Yeah, the buzzing on your hands is weird.
Try not to shake them in. Just kind of
Drop them. Okay.
Now they're starting to swarm.
There's the
Oh,
queen
that was a good. Oh, yeah.
like that.
They don't like hair.
Come on, guys.
And they're not going to stay in the box.
Right.
Unless the queen's in there.
I was worried about this because of the type of bush.
Yeah, I know. It's not the easiest. We get a little bark in there, are we okay?
Yeah, yeah. Limbs and bark are fine. Well, they're not going to sting you to protect her. They're just wanting to protect her with their bodies. Yes, and hopefully we get her in the box. And he put a bunch of sugar water in there for them for food because they're probably hungry.
Spread, how do you mean, Billy? Oh, you got it. Don't squish anybody.
Do you want, oh, you got the spray bottles.
Will they kind of stay circled around her?
They usually do.
Yeah, once they realize where she is,
Then
Your
they'll
arm's
follow.
squishing them, Billy.
that's what I mean. If we don't get her in the box,
Then they're going to keep running out.
they won't stay in the box. They're going to like the box right now because it's got food. But yeah, if we don't get her in the box, they'll all just come right back out.
Alright, I got the top of it.
Some. It might be surprising how well it shows up. You can see the shadows on Billy's back.
I wonder if she's down over here on this side. Move this one. Try and scoop these.
That's a big swarm.
You don't want her to leave. God, that branch is so big. I don't know if I could.
Can you knock them
them
onto the tarp, sweetie, and then put them in there? Just knock them down onto the tarp. We've seen them do that before.
Here, hold the box on that one.
Okay.
Up off the tarp so we don't smash all those down.
Okay.
Put it up in here.
Okay.
Shake a little bit. All I'm trying to do is not
Just knock them down.
into the box,
Yeah.
hopefully. Keep the box back.
Okay. They're all kind of migrating back toward the bush, so I don't know if it's on the ground or not. I'm just gonna scoop them onto the tarp and can we dump it? Okay.
Well, yeah, it's attracted to them. We sprayed a bunch of sugar water in the box for them to eat. There's not honey in that comb, but there is some in the box.
Alright. I'll move the box out. Then I'll hold this in and you can shake them in. There we go. You just need to go that way.
There's just a few still flying around, guys.
Just a couple.
Down the
Yeah,
hill.
I'm being really slow.
See if we can get
That. Alright, hang on a minute. Hey, honey,
Yeah.
can you go get the nippers? They're in there on the left-hand side on like the shelf. We'll cut this one out. I'll cut that branch out.
Probably bigger. Do you want to spray them in the box to kind of give them more food?
They stand?
the ones in the box are fine. I just don't know if they're gonna stay if we
Well-
don't get the queen.
This little one,
Hey, Billy, come here a sec. Look at that one. Look how different it looks.
do you want this small one?
Yes.
Okay, just come here and get it.
No, bring it here.
Uh-huh.
Just put on three, guys.
Yeah, ours last year was like way up high like this, and it was really easy to just scoop a couple times and drop them into the box.
Yep.
This is a lot bigger than we had at our house too.
The hive. They showed up at your house.
Yeah, right in front of our bushes. Well, right in front of our hives.
Oh, there's still a big one right here.
Now let's just watch for a sec.
All right.
I want to see if we can.
Find her.
She might be running around. You see anything that looks like she's got a big butt?
Okay.
Like double the length of butt.
Okay.
I mean, when you see her, she's. She may be running around. She may not.
These guys are pretty insistent on they getting back to the tree. Is it a pheromone they release? Is that what they're...
Yeah, see these guys up here?
Yeah.
Girls up here with their butts sticking up and they're
fanning.
They're fanning, yeah. When they do that, picking up pheromones. And these guys are all headed back.
Yeah.
Do you,
On this backside.
it's insane, isn't it?
No way to get back there except with your hand.
Yeah, they're all clustered around the core of that bush.
Kind of waiting for these girls to get up
in
out of the
there.
way, and then we'll put the tarp back under.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we don't get
her, we're going to be losing battle.
Mm-hmm.
On that.
No, the girls are worker bees. The drones are pretty much worthless.
Okay.
All they're good
Yeah,
for is
like crazy
breeding
on
the
the
queens.
And there's hardly
putting out the scent.
Well, they can produce a bunch, and usually there's way more worker bees though. And the queen only gets bred once, and so if you have a bred queen and a bunch of drones in your hive, they're pretty worthless, really. They don't sting, they don't collect pollen, they don't make honey, they just eat a bunch and, you know, die. Just kidding. Not like our guys, but... Yeah, they're fat. They tanked up before they left. And they're not brand new. The brand newly hatched bees, you can tell how fresh and little they look compared to these. These are all really mature worker bees.
Yeah. I got a bunch over here, but they seem to be confused. They're kind of going all directions.
those branches inside aren't really that thick. They're just...
They're clustered, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if we just...
Yeah, they were so low to the ground, it wasn't a good way to...
There's just a buttload back on this back side and in the middle.
Well, let's get this back here. Got girls.
Do you want your feather? Brush them around?
Get it in tight. Can you just
Kitty,
shake
kitty.
the crap out of it?
Oh, you're very handsome. He's got a mustache.
There's just so many of them.
Hey, buddy. Kitty, kitty. It's like, hey, what's happening out there? Huh? I don't know. Maybe I want to be in.
Kitters, come on!
Kitty, kitty.
Oh, he's ignoring. Come on! Do you
Good
not
boy.
notice the millions of bees out here, Kat? Come on! You goofball.
If I just kind of gently, I was going to say, can we just gently knock them on the ground? See if we can spot her.
Yeah, I'm not worried about the spot now. We'd be lucky to spot her, but if we could get a bunch on there.
Get them in
that-
box.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's dump.
Sideways again.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You guys. Down before they start.
Where's the feather?
It's behind you. Yeah, I think we're as close as we want to get.
This bunch here is going, they're all marching up and in. They're headed that way.
Let's get this back over here.
Okay.
If they do happen to land on you, don't swat them. That's what makes them sting you. Just just walk away and they'll jump off.
Which one?
I felt a couple on my arm, but
Give them something to keep them busy for a minute.
yeah, they're probably hungry anyway. They've been out of their hive for a few days.
That center right in there. It's just so hard to.
It's really well protected.
That's a big triple branch.
It doesn't take much.
I'm just wondering if that's not where she's at.
But that was a big one. That could have been anywhere.
I want to muck her up.
I'm good, I think. I'm at their level.
We're not landing on them.
As soon as,
Hi,
as soon as
what are
you
you
knock them,
doing?
they're
You need to
flying.
go get in the box. Yes, go get in the box. Go find your queen in the box. They're really pretty cute when you look at them.
Oh, that helped.
Hi, are you tired?
What about if you put a little sugar water on the tarp, Billy? Would that help attract them or not?
Might.
Well, we got the backside finally cleaned off. It's just that center part that's hard to see. She could be in there.
That is more than a nuke size of bees, don't you think?
And they won't stay if you don't have a queen, will they?
No.
Just go to wherever she is.
I meant like you took them home.
I don't know what they do if we took them home without a queen.
I mean, would they make a new one or just?
Well, they
they don't have a
can't.
home.
There's no one to lay eggs.
Yeah,
If we could take them home and just dump them in with ours, or
they might adopt it, maybe.
yeah.
Yeah, they're. When you realize how special they are, it's pretty cool when you get to see
Hey,
one.
Billy, I'm just gonna shake this main trunk. See if they'll move. Your sister's here? Which one? No, are they? I just hate for them to knock on the front door. Oh, okay.
I can't see that well anyway. It's like if she's not right there.
Yeah. I got a bunch that are just kind of lined up together. I don't know if that means anything other than the fact that they're
They're
sleeping.
probably starting to chain up or something.
Yeah, they are chaining up. There you go, guys. Get out of there. Where's your... Can I do it with a stick or is that too stiff?
No, we don't.
I mean, I don't want
Besides, if it's her,
to hurt her.
we don't want to mess with the catcher.
Oh, yeah, I can get moved over.
There's not that much in there, really. It's
They're just tight in that one spot.
Oh, cool. Really? Oh, wow.
well, that may be because they just haven't unwrapped yet.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of watching. I mean, if she's in there, she could be walking around. She'll just pop out,
Right.
you see her, and then she'll go back in and come out somewhere else.
That's what I was hoping, just to see her, to know if we got her. No, I'm not gonna know what kind of fucking tree this is. Thanks. Boy, if we didn't get her, she's right in that one little crotch.
The crotch of the tree. That was probably at least a 4-pound package of beans.
On that tarp, she's right in that one little spot. They're doing a pretty good job. They're covering this side too.
Yeah, just kind of watching to see.
Can we slide the top sideways and let all these guys go in too?
Are they going inside?
Yeah, they're
Well,
trying.
they're all right.
Are they?
And there's a little bit of room underneath there.
Okay.
If they're going in, that's a good sign.
Yeah, it's really good.
This whole thing is marching that way.
I was just looking to see if this side is too. See, all these guys are fanning.
Yeah.
And if she is, this one should just keep kind of coming apart.
Yeah. They're not really going back there.
That's a good sign.
These guys just, they're all kind of the edge and they're just kind of confused. They don't know which way to go.
They might not be able to smell her yet if she's
Well,
in the box.
they're all fanning.
Hi, Sabrina. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Brina. Come on over.
It's a normal everyday Sunday.
Yeah.
Come on over.
No, this is good. Thanks. So are these honeybees?
Yeah,
Okay. Wow.
it is weird.
The branches are
Not
very
something you
many
see
above
every
your head.
day.
Yeah.
You want to try and dump those?
I'm thinking if maybe as these guys move in, we'll just slide this over.
And let them crawl up there.
Yeah, they'll just keep marching.
Okay.
I'm just looking for a big butt.
Yeah.
Baby's got back. I mean, when you see her, it's like, oh yeah, there she is.
Is it long and fat or just
Yeah.
long?
It's more long than fat. Yeah,
Okay.
it's not as fat as their butts, but it's certainly twice as long.
Okay. I'm just kind of watching that one, inside there. And it's getting less and less. There's
Well, that's what I mean. If she were in there, probably these
They'd
guys
be
would be
going
going
back.
that way.
yeah, they're
I see
definitely
these guys
not.
coming this way.
Yeah, they're definitely not.
And the ones that can smell her start fanning her pheromones or scents so that the other bees can smell them.
These guys are marching crazy.
And that's good. You can just feel them vibrating on
So
your
I know
hand.
it's amazing.
It's weird on my hand. They're all fanning, and you just feel the vibration.
So cool.
Well, and we're getting, we had a pretty good swarm going.
They're settling down a
They are
little.
moving this way and settling.
I actually
Just let them be for a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, if she's in there, they'll all go. As long as she doesn't leave.
Yeah.
That's why the very first few,
Spooked.
usually she's running around in the middle somewhere.
Yeah.
Everybody that's in hanging on, and they're just all structural framework.
Well, and it's so cool the different markings on all of them.
Yeah.
I've seen some that are just jet black on their abdomens, and then other ones that are just a pale yellow with the orange stripes.
It makes me wonder what kind they are.
Yeah, if these are the carnies or the...
Well, we have carnies, right? And they're really dark. So these guys look lighter.
How light that one is. I mean, they're
Well, they
just
may be
pale.
younger.
The younger bees have a little lighter color than the older bees too.
Okay. Hope nobody's climbing up my pants.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. You guys just do these.
You want to move this over a little
Yeah.
bit, Billy? They're coming off it and
Yeah.
go through the grass.
Let's move this just a little bit to give them a little
We
more
just
open.
we bought
Okay, you want
a
to
couple
push that way?
small hives last year and just kind of got started and been totally
Yeah.
fascinated by it.
Tip
So
of the finger.
Here, I got nobody down here.
That's good like that.
Leave it.
Got stung right on the tip of my finger through my glove.
what?
Well, I probably grabbed her
Yeah,
butt.
that's what happens. You cannot
Look
grab
at it.
the
I'm
girls'
aligned
butts.
now.
Looks like they're starting to march more towards the bush almost on the tarp,
That's why I was wondering if we moved it.
up closer.
Yeah, just a little bit. Anyway.
They might be able to smell her then.
Let's just watch.
Watch the tarp.
Yeah, I'm just looking to see.
Yeah, I've been kind of watching it too.
You don't know which one is the queen because it doesn't look any different.
She looks different, but she's hard to see because they cluster around her and protect her. So it's hard to find her. On the commercial,
Tried that what they're trying to do.
no, we're just trying to get them to go into the box. If she's in the box, they'll all go. The commercial bees, if you buy a commercial queen, they mark them with a dot so you can see her easier. But
Yeah, I grabbed the bottom of that lid to pick it up and move it. I
Inch
probably
one.
smashed one in it. Just probably have a fat middle
did
finger.
he run
bomb.
off? No, he's like, I think I want to go in now.
He came back there years back and
These guys are starting to fan crazy. The march isn't as good as it was. But they're, I mean, shit, Billy, the bush is almost empty.
Yeah, they're
You might
definitely.
have got lucky and got her.
That would be awesome.
Oh yeah, look at them. They're definitely moving this way.
Okay.
While you're on, just stop. Well, we were to lift the lid up a little bit.
Okay, it's going.
Go into the box.
Girls are marching. Yeah, I think we left out the daughter's feed.
Well, they're sure going in there. Hey, look at that fly. The bottom.
Yeah, they're pretty cool when they're.
You gotta go. Billy, how many of them are going?
Where's the lens?
And the ones we've had the last few
I don't know how you edit that. So it's probably gonna be a bunch of crap.
Gotta watch that.
So what do you mean they're
See her
making?
fanning?
Oh, there goes the tarp. But you can hear that buzz.
Yeah, they're almost all off the cart.